Did you know a man robbed one of France's most secure bank vaults, then escaped justice by jumping out of a courtroom window in broad daylight? In 1976, Albert Spaghiari spent months quietly digging a tunnel beneath the streets of Nice, France. He and his crew worked in secret, inching closer to the Société Générale bank vault. Then one weekend, while the city slept above them, they broke through. They spent 2 full days inside, eating, drinking wine, and emptying safe deposit boxes worth millions. When police finally entered the vault, they found the food, the empty bottles, and a handwritten note left behind. Without weapons, without hatred, without violence. Spaghiari was eventually caught and put on trial, but the courtroom couldn't hold him either. Mid-hearing, he leapt from a second-floor window, landed on a waiting getaway motorcycle, and disappeared. He spent the rest of his life moving between countries, writing books and giving interviews. He was never recaptured. The robbery made him famous. The escape made him a legend.